My name is Asa. I'm the marketing manager for Dassault Systemes Israel. You know that many of manufacturing in Israel and in the world are using a lot of tests before they are manufacturing their future car. Today we are not wasting all of this useful money, and we are testing all those tests in a virtual reality and not manufacturing and testing and crashing and damaging very useful cars. Our solution is to provide a simulation to test all the small changes that happens in each of the crashes.
And to make this car more safety.
Yes, while testing the car and see all the changes, you can modify all the products and all the materials to get the safest car.
So please show us how it works.
Of course. We have a 3D screen over here to show you each one of the materials and how it's damaged during a crash test. I can see it on 3D, but you may not. During the crash, I can pause it in every single minute. Of course, in the simulation program, you can see each one of the seconds or each one of the materials in real time. So during the crash, I'm taking each one of the parts, taking them out and see what happened and how damage it cost for each one of the parts. So, for example, I'm pressing play as the crash going on, and I can see the damage that happens to each one of the parts. I can pause it whatever I want and see each one of the materials and each one of the parts and how damaged they are. Now, in this part, the engineers are thinking how to change the materials in order to make it more safely and without damaging a real car. It's all online, it's all virtual. So if they think that this part, for example, that I'm pointing on, should be in a different material in order to make the driver more safely, they will change it before manufacturing.
Also, I see what happened to the driver.
Yeah, there is here you can see even the dummy that we are putting inside of the car, and while pressing play you can see exactly where it's damaged, where he feel the hurt on his body and where the stress is.
It's gonna make to all the company save a lot of money.
Exactly. What we are trying to do here is to save the manufacturing cost. In old times, they created a car, they manufactured new branded car, and they damaged it. And then there is nothing to do with this. In those days, we are managing everything virtual, and we are not wasting a lot of money on manufacturing.